Breaking news. Now trending.
I point up here right now on the situation. This riser here, controlling it, have a habitat down there. It had 5 men inside there working, and it had a 36-inch pipe there. And something went wrong with a plug inside the pipe, and it created a back pressure, and they get sucked in the pipe. Now the pipeline is heading from here to that area up there. That is the next end of the pipe up there. Right now, these divers here going in to check to see. They're coming back here and they're gonna plug the line. They're gonna cap off the line and hoping they equalize the pressure so that they can hopefully recover the personnel down at that location.
He was one of the divers that retrieved one of the bodies. Sir, good morning. Tell me what, because I know you know they could pressure you when you go back to dive. Tell me what went on Friday.
Well, on Friday they had a 5 dive team doing a operation underwater, flanging a line. They was in the process of working. Somehow something failed, and 5 of them get sucked in to the pipeline. Right? I wasn't on site at the time.
Have you ever been in a pipeline like that?
I've been in the same similar work, but not inside the pipeline.
Oh, okay.
Right? Because nobody really be inside, you just be around the pipeline working. But somehow something failed and everybody gets sucked into the pipeline.
Okay.
Right?
Like a vacuum.
Yes, a vacuum and get pulled in. They went to get pulled in, that was 2:30 on Friday. Nothing was done, they didn't reach out for extra help, nothing was done. One of the the diver's son reached on the job site around 4:30 on Friday evening. That was 2 hours after the accident. Nobody done nothing. He decided to take it upon himself to call for backup divers. So he started calling around for backup divers. I get the message around 5 o'clock. So I reach on the job site around 5:30. When we reach here now, the Paria representative telling us do not enter the water. They did not give us permission to go into the water. And they're hearing a diver, at the time we was hearing a diver calling and knocking inside the pipeline.
So there were voices coming out of the pipeline?
Yeah, one voice, hearing a voice and he was knocking an iron, knocking, and that knocking was, he was saying it loud.
So he was left there?
Yeah. Yes, the Paria representative tell us do not enter the water, do not enter the water. Right? But we discard that because we hearing our colleague calling.
So you went up and saved one?
Yeah, yes. Me and our next diver, Corey,
went in the line?
Went in and we get one. We take out that one, Christopher Budram. We retrieve him, we bring him out. Together with them now, we're going back with 3 divers now. Michael Kurban, Corey and myself went back inside. We went as far as we could inside the line. Michael Kurban went in. We were breathing with a hose. He went as far as the hose could go. He had no more slack to give him. So he tried to retrieve his father because the diver Christopher told us that the next diver.
So one of the divers, his father is in there too.
Yes.
And he went
dived there. The diver retrieved, telling us the next diver was right there behind him. He was right there behind him. So he went down to see if he could get his father. He went as far as he could get, and we couldn't give him no more slack.
How long is this line?
The line it runs from boat 5 to boat 6.
How many feet is that?
Maybe 1,200 feet average.
Oh, because initially we were hearing about 60 feet.
No, yeah, the gap is gone 60 feet down and then across.
So you don't know
seabed.
when they go down, if they go on the bed?
Yes, they went actually way inside. They went down and then way inside.
1,200 feet from one end to the next end.
1,200 feet. You all understand now?
So anyway, they could be anywhere inside here. And what happened, what the diver told us is when they get sucked into the line, 4 of them end up in our air pocket. They were talking and communicating with each other, 4 of them. So the anonymous and so when they're crawling through the slushing on the line more than oil and any line. So they had to crawl through the line, 4 of them. But so happened one of them was so badly injured he couldn't make it again. He couldn't crawl through again. He had broken arms on it. So they get banged up, sucked into the line. So when he couldn't make it again, he said he can stay back and wait for help. He said divers must come to help. Right? So one of the other divers said, alright, he can stay with him. The other 2 divers proceeded to come out. They say they're going to try to swim out. Right? 2 of them decided to swim out. On the way to come in, but only one came up and the next one did not. That the one with
Oh
them.
my God, that's like a movie, boy. That's like a movie, boy. You're hearing from one of the individuals. Yeah, I don't want to put his name because, yeah.
And after all of that, we couldn't reach it. After our next dive team came with proper equipment, with longer hose to go inside the pipeline. When time we bunked us, you ready to go inside the pipeline, Paria come and stop us and nobody to enter the water. They stop us from going to search for the diver. Right? And that was the time, that was the main time, close to the, hours after it happened. They stop us from going into the pipeline.
I have to get the name of that person who stopped all this.
Yeah,
that's terrible.
That to be open.
Thanks again, sir. Hats off to you. Yeah, hats off.
You want black, you know what you're feeling. Alright, you want they're saying they don't know. Please, I have them. Is this about the family? Is this about the family? Yes, 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 it's about the family. Please, so another man. This is not what this is about. Another man. This is a solemn occasion. This is a solemn. It is not supposed to be this. It is not supposed to be this. So I'm asking you to stand back. Stand back. This is not about anything other than the lives of 4 young men. Let us keep it focused. Right. So the person with 4 young men and their families. So please, this consideration, this is not required. The answer is one question. Are the people one simple question.